Hi, in this video, I will show you how you can invite users to a session. With VSight, you have 5 different possibilities on how you can start a session. The first one is permanent meeting rooms. You can use them as project rooms, a dedicated space to a specific specialist or planned location. Another option is to schedule a meeting. Meetings are great for one-time calls. You can add already existing users, invite people via email when creating a meeting, or by sharing a meeting link afterwards. If you use Outlook on a daily basis, with VSight add-in, you can schedule meetings directly from your calendar. Let's get back to our platform. The third option is the user section. This section serves as a phone book where you can make calls directly from the platform and start a session with selected users. Within these sessions, you can also invite guests via QR code, link, or a field ID, which is a 6-digit code displayed on VSight app on mobile devices and smart glasses.